Hello guys, have a nice day. I'm Vic and I'm the principal of North London English School 6 on Mill Road. And today I'm very happy to be here to share some information about learning, especially learning about your job in the future. Well, it's now in companies, especially foreign company, is English is very necessary and very important, right? Because when we work for foreign company, we have to use English for communication, for working, and for many action, something like that. And we have to use English for it. Wow, it's very important, right? And I think if you want to get a high salary in the future for your job or get a promote high position, you have to learn English, especially English in business, and that's is the reason why I'm here to share you some information about that. And I can reveal a secret for you. What do you think? What is this? And can you see here? On my hand, have holding a card. In there have some information about my school, North London English School 6 on Mill Road. And in here also have some information about thing I want to introduce you today. And I think it's very necessary and very useful for you. And that is business English course. You know, just listening the name of this card, you how do you feel about it? It's very wonderful, right? And in this card, you will teach knowledge and a lot of information about business and English. It's very useful and very important, very necessary for you when you want to get a good job in the future. English is very necessary and very important. And I will introduce you about some information about this course. That is it start on 29th of April and finished in the end of May 24. And in this course have 4 weeks in this course, and 1 week have 15 hours, 10 hours every week. It's I think it's time. The time is not long very much. Only 4 weeks. That means 1 month for this course. And just after listening about some information about this course, I'm sure that you are wondering about this price, right? And don't worry, the price of it is not expensive so much. I think that it's only 150 euro. I think it's not expensive so much because you also can afford it. I think that, and because of meaning of it and results of it is very necessary for you when you get a good job in the future. So the money is not important so much. I think that. And So that is some information I want to send you about this course of my school now. If you want to try this course, please contact me or go to my school to sign for it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.